Hello students, welcome to EVS class. In last lesson, you learnt about the sun, moon, stars and also about the directions, that is north, south, east, west. Now today in this class, let us learn about our 19th lesson. This will be the last lesson for this year. Our 19th lesson is My Beautiful Native Land. Students, do you know where we are living? On which planet we are living? Yes, we are living on the planet Earth. Earth is having very good atmosphere, water and air to live. Earth is covered with 70% of water and remaining is land. That is 30% of Earth's surface is land. So this land is not same in all the places. It will take different forms. These forms we call it as landforms. Today we are going to learn about the different landforms. These landforms we can categorize depending on their shape, size, location and what it is made up of. So depending on all these things, we divide landforms into 4 types. One is mountain, plain, plateau and desert. How many forms of landforms are there? 4, mainly the 4. Mountain, plain, plateau and desert. So these landforms are categorized depending on their shape, size, location, where it is located and also what it is made up of. So let us learn one by one. Mountain. In some places land rises very high compared to the surrounding area. This place you call it as mountain. So mountain is a high elevated land compared to the surrounding area. So many mountains together will form mountain range. On the tip of the mountain shape will be, some mountain shape will be sharp or round or steep. Here the population is very less, means more people will not live here. Hills also come under mountain only, but it is lower than the mountain. It is also an elevated land, but it is lower than the mountain. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Plain. As the name indicates, it is a flat and broad land. In this we can grow many crops and people like to live on plains. More houses can be built because it is a flat land, so you can build houses and also we can construct industries. We can develop industries in plain region. And also agriculture, it is very useful for agriculture. So here the population is more on the plains. Next comes the plateau. Plateau is little higher than the plain. It is a region elevated than the plain, and on the top of the plateau it will be flat. So it is also called as tableland. Here also population is more and houses it is good for constructing houses and developing industries. Tibet is the broad and biggest plateau in the world. Next comes the desert. Desert is a place where you will not find much rainfall, or you can say very less or no rainfall. Very rarely this place will get rain. As a result, here you cannot expect many people. So population is very less, and this desert is made up of sand. Desert covers sand, and here we cannot grow many plants. Here for transportation we will use camel. Camel is good for traveling in desert. These are the four landforms: mountain, plain, plateau, desert. There are many sources of water on the earth. Main source of water is rain. Other sources of water are river, lake, pond, and ocean covers the major part of the earth. But ocean water is not useful for our daily works. Why it is not useful, children? Yes, because its water is very salty. We can prepare salt by ocean water. So this water is not useful for our daily works. In your textbook, they are given some riddles to solve. Let us solve one by one. Who am I? I am broad and deep. My water is used for washing clothes, cleaning vehicles, washing cattle, agriculture, and other works. Who am I? Can you guess, children? Which source of water I am talking about? Yes, it is lake or pond. In villages, you will find lake or pond. This is the main source of water for many villages. So they will use this water for washing clothes, utensils, cattle, and also for washing vehicles, and also it is useful for agriculture. So we have to keep the water sources clean. I am green in color. I have variety of trees, plants, animals and birds. I give cool air. Who am I? Can you guess, children, which place I am talking about? Yes, it is forest. Forest is the place where many trees, plants will grow. Many animals and birds live here. This is the home for many living beings. Trees gives us cool air. It also helps in bringing rain. Nowadays, in the name of modernization, people are cutting trees to fulfill their needs. If we go on cutting the trees, there will be no proper rainfall. So, we have to stop cutting trees. Instead, we can plant varieties of trees to maintain good environment. Next riddle is, you can see water everywhere, but my water is salty. My shore is covered with sand. Ships move on me. Fishermen catch fish. Who am I? So it is one of the water source. And which place I am talking about? Yes, it is ocean. Ocean or sea is a very large water body. It covers the major portion of the earth. If you see the ocean from one end, you cannot see the land on other end. In ocean, many water animals and plants will live. You can find water animals like shark, octopus, starfish, seahorse, varieties of fishes. Ships sail on ocean. We can travel from one country to other through ships. Goods also can be transported from one country to other through ships. Children, do you know from where you will get salt? Yes, it is from ocean water. Next one. I am tall. Sometimes I have rocks on me. Trees and plants grow on me. Which landform is this? Yes, it is hill. It is the higher land region compared to the surrounding area. Here, many trees and plants will grow. The climate will be cool. Many hill stations are of tourist attraction. People visit hill station during summer. Next one. I flow. My water is needed for drinking and other purposes. A few plants grow in me. A few animals also live in me. Who am I? One more water source. Can you guess? So first one was lake, and just now I told about ocean. This one, yes, it is river because it is flowing. River will flow, it will not stagnate. So river is also a source of water. Its water is useful for agriculture and also drinking purpose, and also we will get electricity from the water. You will learn this in your higher classes, how we will get electricity from water. So many water animals live in river, and also water plants also will live. This water is useful for agriculture and also drinking. So all the water sources we have to keep it clean. Only few percent of water is useful for drinking because major portion is covered with ocean water. It is not good for drinking. Only little water is useful for drinking. So we have to keep these sources clean. I hope you have understood this lesson. Write the classwork neatly. Thank you.